Good morning, Wildcats, and welcome to today, Tuesday, September 29th, 2020. As we do each morning, let's say our Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now our Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee. Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Wildcats, let's please observe this moment of silence. Great job, Wildcats. You may be seated. Here in Galena Park, ISD, we have a safety statement. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has a right to feel safe, loved, and respected on the bus or at home or during the school day. If anyone at home, on the bus, or at school makes you feel unloved, unsafe, or disrespected, tell someone. Find the trusted adult in your life, your coach, your parent, your nurse, your teacher, your counselor, your principals, and let them know how you feel. The sooner you talk about it, the better you will feel. We have two birthdays today on September 29th. Happy birthday to Noah A in first grade, and happy birthday to Maria Viviana in fifth grade. We hope that you have a wonderful September birthday. September's theme for character education is citizenship and school pride. The quote of the day is as follows. No act of kindness, however small, is ever wasted. This is by Aesop. Show kindness to someone today and be a good citizen of the world. All right, Wildcats, thank you for sharing a couple of minutes with me this morning. We do have some announcements. If you are going to be a car rider and you will be returning this Monday, October 5th, please know that Thursday and Friday of this week, Thursday, October 1st and Friday, October 2nd, from 1 to 5, you may come and pick up your car rider tag. So only those students who will be returning and who will be car riders this Thursday and Friday, please come by the front office from 1 to 5 to pick up your tag. With something to think about, this is Mrs. Marsh saying, make it a great day or not, the choice is yours. Wildcats, I hope that you choose today and every day to make it a great day.